Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to use pre-filled form fields in BoldSign for eSigning. In BoldSign, senders can set predefined values in specific fields. This reduces the need for manual input from signers. Signers can quickly review the pre-filled information and make any necessary edits before completing the document. BoldSign supports pre-filled values for text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, images, editable dates, and dropdowns. By using this feature, you can streamline the signing process, allowing signers to focus on the fields that require their input. Say a person has just completed a loan application at a bank. The loan agent now needs to send a loan agreement to the borrower for review and signature. This agreement contains terms that the borrower must acknowledge. To ensure accuracy and consistency, the loan agent wants to pre-fill standard details in the agreement using form field default values. With BoldSign, this process becomes simple. I'll demonstrate how the loan agent would do it. The first step is to access the BoldSign application. Here I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This action takes me to the Prepared Document for Signing page, where I upload the loan agreement form that needs to be signed. Next, in the Recipient section, I enter the borrower's details. Once done, I review the remaining details and click Next, which directs me to the Configure Fields page. In the Client Details section, I add the name and email fields in their respective slots. These fields are automatically filled with the signer's details. Next, I move to the Loan Details section, where I'll pre-fill form fields. For the loan amount, I drag a text box field into the designated area. Its settings panel appears on the right side of the screen. Since the loan agent and the borrower agreed on a certain amount, I need to fill this field with that amount. I move to the default text field and enter it. This is automatically reflected in the text box field. I do not want the borrower to be able to edit these details, so I set the field to read only. For the interest rate, I add a text box field and enter the agreed rate. For the loan term, I add a drop-down field. In the drop-down settings, I enter the loan term options and then set the agreed default value. For the start date, I drag and drop an editable date field and pre-fill the agreed start date. Since this field can be edited by the signer, I make sure the read-only option remains off. I repeat the same process for the remaining fields. Finally, I add the signature and date sign fields in their proper places. The date sign field will automatically be filled with the date and time the signer opens the document. After reviewing my changes, I send the document out for signature. Now, let's switch to the signer's side and see how the pre-filled form fields appear. The signer receives a signature request email with a link to review and sign the document. When I click the Review and Sign button in the email, I am navigated to the signing page. On this page, all of these form fields are pre-filled. I can't edit the loan amount and interest rate fields. However, fields such as loan term and start date can still be edited. If you need to change any details in the editable fields, simply click the fields and enter your details. For example, if I want to change the start date because the specified one is not convenient, I can click the date field and select a new date. After reviewing the pre-filled information, I add my signature and click Finish to finalize the process. A confirmation message will appear, and a copy of the signed document is sent to both the signer and the sender via email. That is the process of pre-filling form fields before sending a document for signature in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.